get started with a magic circle for our little bunny. Alright, put your hook through and then chain 2. And then we're going to do 16 double crochets into the circle. Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I slipped. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Halfway there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to pull some more of my yarn. And pull a little bit here. That's 13, 14, 15, and 16. I'm going to take my ring off. He's making that loud banging noise, sorry. Okay, and then pull to close. Like that. Slip stitch into that first double crochet. Okay, chain 2. Put 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Missed there again. Part of my problem is that my yarn is too tight. There we go. Alright. Now you're going to put 2 double crochets into that next stitch. Alright. So now we have the head of the bunny. So go ahead and chain 6 to start the first ear. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, you're going to put a single crochet into the second chain. Alright, half double crochets into the next 2. Single stitch into the next one. Single stitch into the last one. Alright, sorry. Actually, pull that one out. We're going to slip stitch. I want to make that a little bit tighter this time. Slip stitch. Alright, now to start the second ear, you're going to chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gather some more yarn. Now we're doing the same thing. So a single crochet into the second chain. You want to do 2 half double crochets, 1 in each of those next 2 chains. Alright, then you're going to do single stitch going to, instead of slip stitching into that first one, we're going to slip stitch into this one down here. Slip stitch, so pull it all the way through. Alright, like that. Now what you want to do is cut, so pull through, and then we're going to take our hook and pull our tail like that. Turn it over and tie your ends together. Alright. Now, cut the tails off. You can throw out one that's too small like that, but this longer one we're going to use later, so just set it aside. To make the tail a little pom-pom, you're going to want to wrap. Take your yarn and just continuously wrap 2 fingers. And you'll want to do that for to get it as thick as you want, or as fluffy as you want for your bunny tail. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is take this from before, put it through. Of course, my fingers got a little too tight in that. Gonna use my hook, pull through. There we go. Alright, so like that, and then slip it off. Tie it real tight. And cut it off from the main yarn. Alright. Gonna tie this again. Alright. Now, take your scissors, put them through those hoops, those loops, hoops and loops, and then cut them apart. Just like that. And then what you'll do, let's see, I'm checking for any that are still there, like that one, that one. Now, this longer piece I'm going to use to tie onto the bunny. So the other ones that were long, I just need to cut those down like that. And let's cut that one. I mean, you can cut it down to make it not as fluffy. So, but let's go to the back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go in at 5. Right there. And then I'm going to slip stitch it to the bunny. Just like that, and pull tight. Okay. Cut off. And there you have Thanks so much for watching.